So I said I wasn't going to wear orange again, but here I am. I'm in orange. What can you do when you have a whole bunch of orange shirts that are for work, but none of them are getting used? Anyways, I'm going to try to wear less orange though, because this is not really flattering to me, or is it? I mean, I don't know. It might actually look good, and I don't think so. But today I'm going to try to do a tutorial. So yeah, let's get into that. All right. So going to try to do this properly. Hopefully. Here we go. Okay, so when you're gonna do a live stream, what you want to do, how are we gonna go about doing this? Okay, first you want to download a program called OBS. So let's get to that program real quick. Okay, here's, google.com, type in OBS. Okay, open broadcast software. It's they have it available for Mac OS and Windows and Linux. Depending on what platform you're using, that's the one you download it for. Right now we're using Windows, so I would hit the Windows button. What this window pops up to download. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not gonna go past this point, but you would hit save file. If you need to extract and install, you'd go through that process. And then, assuming you're on the Canon platform, you would go to EOS Webcam Utility Beta. Let's pick this one. Let's see. That's not right. Which one? I'll just go up to this one. First one on the list might be the right one. Okay, so we're at the Canon's website. They have a few things up here before you download, yada yada. Now they have a list of known devices that are compatible with it. Now what I have discovered is that the Canon T5 isn't on this list, but the T5 is able to be used with this software. So you can use the T5, maybe the T5i as well. The downside with the T5 itself is that it doesn't have autofocusing. So unless you have like a really wide lens, where you can still reach over and focus on yourself with your hands, you'd probably want to stay away, or you could probably put up a little something in your spot where your head will be and focus on it with the camera before you sit down, because you're not going to be able to focus later. Now, that being said, right now I'm using the Canon 90D, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna go with right there. But I already have this software installed, so you pick whichever one, or pick one that's close. If you have the T6, pick the T6. So okay, so if you do have the T5, I picked the 90D. It's the same software, it's the same beta software. So you can just click any one of these, download the software, and just see if it works with your camera. Because I clicked it for the 90D, and I used it with the T5. So it doesn't matter which one you click with; it's not going to be different. It's still just the beta. It's just giving you options to choose. Like if you have these models, you click on it, and it'll take you to the software. So click 90D. We're at the top. EOS Webcam Utility Beta 0.9.0 for Windows. It was released April 28th. 1.48 megabytes. You select it, download it, install that program. Now, if you have EOS Utility, let's see. this one right here. If you have this one on your computer already, you're gonna have to completely disable it before the webcam utility will work, because your camera, when you plug your camera into the computer, it's automatically gonna wanna, this one's gonna wanna access it, and so it'll block this one, it'll block the webcam utility from accessing it. So you go in there and close out this program, the EOS utility program for your downloading your pictures and all that sort of stuff. You disable that one. It'll pop up down here in your mini bar at the bottom, and you have to, you know, right click, close it out. I just completely uninstalled it because all the things I did didn't quite work. So I just uninstalled it. But you don't have to do that. There's another workaround for it that I'm not going to get into right now because I haven't done it. But okay, so once you've done all that, go to your YouTube page. And you go to Go Live. Now, live test. Okay, create a stream. Okay, you create your live stream that you're going to work with. All right. Now, right now I don't have. Oh, you know, that's another thing I forgot to do. Forgot to plug the camera in. So we're going to use the T5 since I'm filming with the 90D right now, and this is only going to be to test out. So just for reference, this is actually the one I'm using right here. Okay, so, but we're not going to see anything but my mouse because I'm not going to have it face me. Plug this all in real quick. This isn't on yet. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in just to get it ready. All right. Okay, that's ready. So when it comes on, you'll see my hand in the screen because that's where it's facing. But okay, you got all the stream information down here to the left. What you do, you go over and copy your stream key. You bring it back down. Now, after you've got OBS installed and you've got your EOS Webcam utility, make sure you restart your computer before trying to use EOS Webcam utility. So I'm gonna turn on OBS. And so far, this is what it shows because I've already set it up, but we're gonna set it up. I'm gonna set up a new one. So set up capture device. Okay. So if I use the webcam straight out of my device here, you know, that'll work fine too, but that's not what we're trying to do. So I'm gonna turn my camera on. Setting up device down there at the bottom. All right, so now if I go to EOS Webcam Utility, boom. It's really white there. Oh, yep, there it goes. It's working. Oh, that's why it's so bright. Okay, mess with the settings. Turn down the ISO real quick. Okay. Okay. So I have a 50mm lens on here, so it's probably going to be a bit out of focus. Well, a lot out of focus. Actually, let's see if I can focus on something. There we go, something. So you see my hand. Okay, let's do that because I didn't prepare well and put this on the tripod like I should have. All right, so that's working. Let's see. It works with the default settings. Let's just leave it like that. But seeing as how we don't really need version 2, we can go ahead and minus that out and just go with the version 1. All right. Alrighty, that's a weird aspect ratio actually. It's very weird. Nice. Resolution. X709. Okay. I don't know, it's weird that's square like that. Settings. I'll put advanced. Let's make sure 16:9 aspect ratio. So I don't know. I don't know what's doing that. I have to check that later. But yeah, so let's go back to settings. Advanced. Let's do output. Audio, video. There we go. You make sure my audio is the microphone I'm using, which is the K780A microphone. Stream. Okay, so I'll delete that and I'll paste my stream key in there and I'll apply. And so what's going to happen here is, wow, it's really close. What's going to happen here is when I hit start streaming, you'll see me pop, well, you won't see me pop up here right away. You'll see this live button light up, and then you'll be able to hit go live, and then your face will show up over here, whatever you have your camera focused on. And that's pretty much how it is. It's not too much to it. Now, let's see if I can. No, I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna do the live. Actually, should I? Nah. We're not really finished with this tutorial, so we're not gonna do it just yet. But yeah, we'll leave it there. Okay, so that's pretty much how you do it. Make sure you copy your stream key. You go in normally. Okay, see, this is what you can do differently. If you've never used OBS before, you go in, you go to auto configure wizard, and then you go optimize for streaming, recording, secondary. You hit next. You pick your aspect resolution, your 1920 by 1080. Just go with current 23.98. Custom, click. I would click on YouTube gaming, but don't do that. Just click custom, copy your server key, and then copy your stream key. Put your stream key in. I'm gonna repaste my stream key in. Your server key shouldn't be too different. Let's see. Yeah. You copy your server key, your stream key, you hit next. Bandwidth test is about to happen. You hit yes. So it tests the bandwidth. And it tests to see if the connection is going to be good between the camera, the internet, the YouTube, or whatever, and then it gives the optimal settings. So then you get 960 by 540, 480. Yeah, there we go. So your output resolution is going to be 965. Well, for me, 960 by 540. I apply settings. That's how it's going to look on YouTube. It's really weird that this picture is square. Full screen, 1600 by 900. Canvas, scale the window. Canvas. Wait. Output. That is weird. How is it, maybe it's something with the camera. Why is it square? Thank you all for dropping by and watching this tutorial I did. It was a kind of a little trial and error trying to get this thing going, but let me know if you learned anything, and I'll see you guys in the next video.